My name's Mara Zellens and I have a business called Kitchen Jazz, and I teach people to love food, to be inspired about food. I teach them cooking, I demonstrate, and also to support that I take them to other countries, other cultures where they can see where cuisine has originated from so that they can get inspired too. Before my cooking school, I was a full-time mother and I thoroughly enjoyed it, and it's time for something for me. I started Kitchen Jazz from my love of people and food and travel, and it was very difficult to do with small children, so it's very hard to travel, but now I'm finding I can get out there and do these things, and why not do it in a way that I can share it with other people. I have an administrative background working in an office, and when my babies were born I did some freelance work, and then I decided to devote my whole time to motherhood. And as the children got older I realised I can use a little bit of spare time, and that's when I started my own business. I can see Kitchen Jazz becoming this wonderful part of my life, where I can have this true balance in my life, where I can work and I can rest and I can play, and that is something to look forward to, that pinnacle of balance in my life.